All right, so we're here, and I think Gracie's about to get attacked by monkeys. Ideally, no. But our goal is to sort of walk up there. Now, I drove up there, as you guys saw in the live stream, which I believe is, I mean, it's probably not illegal, but it's not liked. They're gonna do what?
My t-shirt.
Oh, okay. So Gracie's part of this group called the Mountaineers, and the Mountaineers basically get together like what, once a week? Okay. They get together like once a week, and then they go hiking effectively, and it's very easy to do around where Gracie lives because she lives in the mountains. And they have these neat t-shirts that say Mountaineers. And so anyway, so we're gonna go up there, and take some take some photos and stuff. I'll take the GoPro with me. They seem pretty interested actually in Gracie. But so we've come here to walk up there with that at our back. So there's monkeys everywhere, so I'm going to assume that they're not going to like attack us and stuff. But even just when we drove up there, like there was nobody there. So who knows? Maybe it's closed.
Maybe. Oh, it's okay. Let's just walk until they stop us.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, friends.
Boom. They're doing the whole like pick my. Okay, so let's see. So masks, everything. Yeah. All right. Awesome. What? Yeah, we're good.
Oh my God, they're right there.
Yeah, it's literally a tree full of monkeys, Rike. You'd like it here, dude. Monkey poop. Yeah. So I have a feeling, I think this whole place is like, oh, the gates open up there. There's some windows open. But obviously that's all up there.
Yeah. Gate.
Yeah, I saw the green gates open up there. Let's go up here. Are we counting or no?
Of course we are.
Have you?
We cannot count because it's...
Slope?
Yeah.
You're not just gonna count like steps? All right.
This is like hiking in the hottest day.
Yeah, big time.
This time of the day.
To the cove. Beware of the dog. Okay. So I want to get there, but
maybe that's another way. Maybe it's there. There's the gate there.
oh yeah, yeah. I guess that makes sense, huh?
So
Well, let's.
maybe this one is going to the white one.
Let's look. Yeah, I know. Even the monkeys aren't up here anymore. What is this? National Museum. 150 baht.
Hi.
Sawadee krap.
Hi.
Cup.
It's
How do we get?
not far from here เนี่ย walk
Oh, you just walk.
yeah
Okay, ครับ
อันนี้เดี๋ยวอันนี้มีค่าบัตร
What?
ครับ
Okay, so we just stay.
เดี๋ยว no please you wait just minute
Oh, okay, okay.
stop
Oh, stop. Okay.
CR?
ครับผม
Toilet?
not far from here you walk 10 minutes
10 minutes.
Okay.
yeah
Okay.
ครับผม
He's good in English.
Yeah, your English is very good.
English good.
ครับทั้งคู่เลย
Hi.
ฮะ where from
Philippines.
อ้าว
Yeah, hi.
same Thailand
Yes.
She look very Thai. Yeah.
Yes, cool.
Hi. Hi I'm sorry
Okay, no, it's good. Safety.
thank you ครับ
Thank you ครับ
thank you very much ครับผมครับ Hi you check in here yeah
Okay. Oh, good. ขอบคุณครับ
thank you very much
Thank you ครับ
Did you check in this
Yes, of course. Thank you.
What's the thing again?
Thai Chana.
Paisana.
Thai Chana app.
Scan QR code
Yep.
while using the app.
Yep.
Wow, check in, no?
No, it's like immediate. It's very, very slick. The first one they did, it wasn't great, but ever since this one's been out, which has been months now. And then on the way home, you just sort of check out. All right, cool. So he said restroom up here.
Yeah.
He even knew what CR meant. Holy crap. He's worldly, honey.
Only couple. Only big couple.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, no. This is also the way how to go out, to go back.
What do you mean? Selfie?
3, 2, 1. I guess that's a beach, right?
Yeah, we'll have to check that out. I think what we should have done is we should have counted each step as a step.
We can do that going but down.
Okay.
Or maybe that's the thing on the left.
Could be. Oh. Excuse me. So that's kind of cool. That's that park that we drove around. It looks a lot cooler from up here, doesn't it? I would say you could label this as a typical Thai town slash village. There's, you know, there's Thai flags everywhere, of course, but there's like antennas everywhere for cell and stuff. And then there's buildings, tons of orange and red roofs, peaks, on temples, of course, but also on like even office buildings and that sort of thing. A lot of greenery, which is really, that's a good thing. And occasionally a hill with at least one temple on top of it. Sometimes they refer to that as Big Buddha. Sometimes there's a giant gold Buddha statue at the top, but
1, 2, 3, click.
but not in this case. I'm actually quite pleased with the number of monkeys. You know, and then there's like sports type places. You'll see a lot of like these townhome 3, 4, sometimes even 5-story developments, like the whole bunch of 2-story developments down there. You'll see the occasional, what I refer to as a Farang house, but it's not necessarily a foreigner's house. But I used to, you know, stuff like that in Mexico, I would refer to it as a gringo house, but a very sort of modern house there. And yeah, let me take some pictures of Gracie. I'll be back to this in about 2 seconds. All right, let's check this out. Ooh, wow. Oh my God, the echo that you get. Oh, honey, you got to check this out. When you stand here, your voice echoes from everywhere. Can you hear my voice from there or no? Oh, I can only hear it from here? Oh, wow, that's a really neat effect. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but everywhere that I talk, it echoes completely behind me. That's really, really interesting. Very, very cool. All right, Gracie, you come here, honey. You gotta try this. This is cool. Oh, man. I thought we had it with these steps over here, but... Alright, hold on, let me take a... You keep going, I'll do some video. Pretty darn clear day today, actually. A little bit overcast, but... So we walked all those steps. I thought, okay, great, we'll get up here. And we'll be set. And we'll be so close to our destination. I think you know where this is going. Turns out that one or that one. We still got a way to go. Still got a ways to go to get over there. Or up to this one. I don't even know if you can see through the trees, but all right, we're getting there.
Oh, you're getting more video. I want you there, but
There you go, 10 selfies later. Why?
taking a video.
Of us walking?
Come here, come here. Oh, yeah, cute.
Oh my God. Make them, what? We gotta walk this way. Here, hold on. Do it right, come here. Good.
Oh, okay.
All right, you let me know what you're gonna do. Okay.
I'm so sweet. Oh, because oh.
Mwah.
Oh my God, I did not capture it. Here. Stairs.
Okay.
Should we go there?
Yes.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh. So this is going up or this is going up?
Where's the...
ไปเดินดูรอบนอกได้ แล้วก็ด้านหลังจะมีทางเดินแบบเชื่อมไปสองยอด
This way going up there?
มี
okay.
ทางเดิน
Okay.
แบบเชื่อมไปแล้วกลับเดินมาทางนี้
Coming back here.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, there's another stairs there. Sorry, I'm not counting. Forgot.
All
I'm
this,
way overwhelmed.
all this work.
Gratitude. I'm gratitude.
You having a gratitude attack right now? Good job, honey.
Like
Oh, this is supposed to be for handicapped folks. I guess that's pretty darn awesome, actually. If you're in a wheelchair. Change clothes, place to take off your shoes, entrance, exit to the museum.
You don't need.
Oh wow, this is it's a pretty awesome view actually. It's closed from 11:30 to 12:30. What time is it?
We're not going there anyway. It's like
แต่ซื้อน้ำได้นะคะตรงนี้มีจุดเดียวนะคะถึงไปกินได้เลยจ้าแต่ตรงเนี้ยเดี๋ยวเปิดเที่ยงครึ่งค่ะพิพิธภัณฑ์ตรงนี้ขึ้นได้หมดเลยค่ะ
Michael Chai.
ก่อนได้
Michael Chai. Fan Philippine.
sorry
ภาษาอังกฤษ
how we go up.
ก็เชอร์ไลท์
Okay.
King number 4
Okay.
museum open
It's okay.
museum open
Yeah.
Coffee. Okay.
It's
ครับ
okay. We go.
yes
Yeah.
Thank you.
ขอบคุณครับ
what you need some drink
No, have water. Thank you. They do have Diet Coke though, so that's nice. Can't believe you didn't count the stairs. Honey, why do you hate me so much? So much hatred, honey. Ooh. Okay, this is hip. Ooh, feels good, feels good. Don't take photo inside, okay. I remember when we walked all the way on top of that Buddha Mountain at Phra Nakhon and looked out over everywhere you could see. I mean, the visibility's got to be. I mean, it's got to be 50 kilometers today. And I mean, there's the water, right? Pretty nice. But I remember when we walked up the top of Phra Nakhon and looked around, I said, oh man, honey, I think we should live here, because of course we're paying 12,000 baht right now for a 1-bedroom condo. For 12,000 baht in Phra Nakhon, you get a 2-bedroom house. Hey, little mousy. And
Wow.
oh, there is a big Buddha actually way over there.
Yeah.
I bet you we could drive to that. That would be pretty good. We'll have to figure that out.
We should go.
Yeah. Big. I'm gonna look on Google Maps. There's a Nissan dealer. Okay, so between here, Nissan dealer, Gold Big Buddha. I bet I could figure that out. And it looks like they have like a round. Now that road actually may only be there for officials to get up to those towers. That's actually in the middle there. So there's 3 on the left. Far left is cell. Middle is actually an FM tower. And then probably a satellite 2-way repeater is the 3rd one there. Those 2 big ones right there, those are simply hops. And so it basically comes in on the left of those 2 on the left. And it leaves on those 2 on the right. And obviously it's bidirectional. And then some 2-way gear. And then a little bit of telco repeating pretty much on the big ones over there. But yeah, that self-supporter right there in the middle, the whole top single piece of that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna go with a 6-bay. So basically what that does to the signal is that makes it go like this. So from here, FM is what's referred to as line of sight. So literally imagine being on top of that thing. Anywhere you look out, that's where your signal goes. And that's what's known as freaking magic. That's why they call it FM. Just so you know. I think Gracie wanted to take some pictures back there, so I wanted to come over here and take another view of some stuff. And I think we're taking some photos now. I really like that over there. I will say I do love that noise. Now, I need to check. I guess where we're going is the Great White Pagoda, which is here. So we gotta go down to go up, which seems crazy, but oh boy. I do love doing this stuff, but I need to remember that Gracie and I have done this. The latest we've done this in the year has been March. And it's July. So it's a lot hotter. I'm sorry, it's June. So arguably May and June. Depending upon who you ask. I've had many people tell me, oh no, April's the hottest month. Wait, what? Hold on. Okay, this is another one of these. Thank God I remember being at the other one, but we gotta get there. Oh man. Thank God I have at least some memory, otherwise I'd be up here going, no way, we're back where we started. We gotta get there, which means we're still far. We gotta get there.
Yeah, we're trying to...
Gotta get there. The Great White Pagoda. Once we get to the Great White Pagoda, then I will say moments like this, I do really appreciate the fact that there's nobody else here. And you know, this is I think this is less of a tourist trap really than a lot of the other places in Thailand, but I'm quite certain they still rely on foreign tourists for this as far as income. But I'm sure the Thais also come here and love to worship. I know I like coming here and going through some degree of ceremony that I like to do, that I feel comfortable with, that one could argue is the way I worship, which is pretty unsophisticated and comfortable for me. I talk to the clouds, I talk to statues, and somehow that keeps me happier than when I do not. This is one of these things that I absolutely am grateful that I'm doing it with Gracie, but I also love doing this sort of stuff myself. Cable car? There's a cable car? No way. That's crazy. Anyway, Great White Pagoda is where we're going. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pretty much co-sign my guess, which is like, this is the way to the Great White Pagoda. But yeah, this is one of these things that I'm really grateful that I enjoy doing by myself. And but I also like doing it with Gracie. She seems to appreciate this stuff as much as I do. But it's also sort of an individualistic experience, right? Like everyone has their own sort of individual interpretation, their own individual reception of spirituality and that sort of thing. So, Saudi Ka. That was a Thai smile. That was cool. I like those. I like to think that when I see one as I've just seen, I label that as genuine and it makes me feel better. I could be completely false, and I'm quite certain that there's at least one troll who probably will watch this video and be like, oh yeah, you know, the Thais, they don't want you foreigners there. And no, dude, trust me, they just don't want you here. They want cool people here. And guess what I am? I am the lifetime member of the Cool Kids table, much like all of you guys watching this video. And if you're not watching this video and you didn't nod just then guess what? Plenty of other channels, plenty of other tables. But this, my friends, for me, so take the half stairs or the full stairs. Problem with these half stairs is there's not enough lift. Problem with the full stairs is there's a little bit too much darn lift. It's like, instead of doing this and this, you could have just made one, but with with the 3/4. Actually, I think I know exactly why they do this, because they're like, okay, people are going to get overzealous on the first few steps and think that they're real men. Then they're going to move over to the left and be grateful that there's half steps. Why am I wearing my mask on my face? Little easier to breathe right now. But yeah, this is the brass ring, and so there it is. No, I'm kidding. There it is. Would it matter though? Somehow it matters that it's big. I'm gonna go straight in here. I don't know why. Oh boy. It is. Can you see how? Yep, so if I just like literally put my back up straight. Beware of your head. Ooh. Oh, I didn't know this was an option. Okay. Ouch. Okay, so this is probably 3 feet tall right now. There's a, even if I, okay. Okay, so let me see if I can see. So this is how big that hole is. I'm 6 feet. That's a 3-foot opening. Where's my Gracie? See if we, this was definitely worth it, guys. Definitely worth heat stroke. The wind's blowing like crazy. It feels awesome. I bet you can't tell though, because I got the GoPro 9, huh? Oh, it feels so good. I have to hold my hat so I don't lose it. A giant gold Buddha and an FM stick on the top of a mountain. I couldn't be happier. That's all I need. All I need is a 6-bay and a gold Buddha. I'm living the dream. Oh, I swear, I think I'm delirious from walking all this way. So there's another one over there. And yes, there's a part of me that wants to walk over there, but I tell you right now, I'm gonna hang out here where the wind is for a little bit. And I don't see her. She'll have less of an issue, of course, walking up inside. You up here? Nope. Oh yeah, now I'm gonna take advantage of this wind, guys. Yeah, this is awesome. Plus it's 220 up here. I mean, sure, single phase, but still. Hello? Nope. Maybe it is 223 phase. That's what I would have run, but again, maybe they split it off to 220 single phase down there. There's 4 wires down there, so that could be a Y. I would argue it's delta. Right. Oh yeah, no, I can't go back down. I gotta take advantage of this wind. Oh. This is, every time I'm on a place like this, obviously I take it in and I'm grateful and that sort of thing, but then I think to myself, why aren't you guys putting wind turbines up here? Why aren't you generating electricity with all this opportunity? You know, if that were the case, every single roof would be made out of photovoltaics, wouldn't it? It's just too bad it's not. I'm living the dream, guys. I've had one of these moments like before Gracie got here, right? Like about a year ago or so. You know, I was traveling solo doing this. I had just gotten the GoPro. And I would be up on top of places like this and I'd be like, ah, this is great. And I was grateful. I absolutely was grateful. But a lot of you have reported that my smiles are bigger now. So we'll see. I don't distrust you. Well, I'm just gonna take it all and relax. I'll talk to you guys soon. Ciao. Because before I totally finish this video, I'm sitting here, right, and I'm like yelling over the side, hey honey, I'm yelling down there. You can't see this in the GoPro. She is all the way over there. Look at that. She just kept walking and she's all the way over there. Well, I guess that's where I need to go then, huh? All right, fair enough. I'll figure it out. I came up there. I guess she just kept going, huh? Oh, that's awesome. All right, cool. I'll go over there. Although I'm really liking this wind. I'll go explore where she's at. Ciao. I'll tell you, one of the most rewarding things about walking upstairs is the walking down part. Sometimes actually it's, I don't know, that last thing, that was pretty rewarding. That's pretty awesome up there. Oh yeah. All right, so rather than come up here, I bet you Gracie went over there, so. Yeah, there were a lot of monkeys down below, which I guess makes sense, right? More possibility, more opportunity for food. Up here, obviously, there's trees. Probably a lot less water though, huh? Just got a message. I wonder if that was her like a while ago saying, honey, come here. Check in. Okay. I believe I'm going the right way. Yep, I think so. Man, who decides on this stuff? You know, they're like, oh yeah, sure, we'll go to the top of the mountain and build something spectacular. No, I tell you what, why don't we go another 300 meters? Let's make something a little bit different, but equally as spectacular. And let's not install half steps. If someone's made it this far, Wat Phra Khao Noi. This wat is located on the hilltop to the east. His Majesty King Mongkut ordered this temple to be built in a style similar to the temple of the Emerald Buddha at the Grand Palace in Bangkok. Included on the temple grounds are an ordinal hall, Phra Suthasela Chida, Phra Prang Dang, the Red Pagoda, Belfry, and Pavilion. Guys, it is hot. I would have to say it's probably 40 degrees. Now I would really like to do that, but not in the mood. Although, if I don't touch it, it doesn't count, right, Joe? So, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna touch it, how's that? There we go. That's all I got, guys. That's all I got. That's the best I can do. But I touched it, so it counts.